I'm going to take oath for the new executive members of the Shillong Manipuri Students Union, Maglia. So now our second is done now. I'll start now. I
Songthang Mamite,
Lakshmi Koro,
and two Gongkang,
Priyalini Rajkumari,
Hougang Priyanka,
Sanju Gongkham, Chenya Sanasam,
Yambem Suchitra Devi,
Serena Nongthongbam, Nilima Kepchumayum,
Jolia Oinam,
Salam Stephen Singh,
Obram Tonglen Mite,
Dogar Tongram,
Irubam Openasi Singh,
holding the post of
Sport and Games Secretary,
Men's Coordinator,
External Affairs Secretary,
Academic Affairs Secretary,
Women's Coordinator,
Library and Documentation Secretary, Information and Publicity Secretary,
Assistant Games and Sports Secretary,
Magazine Secretary,
Finance Secretary, Assistant Social and Cultural Secretary, Social and Cultural Secretary,
Assistant General Secretary,
General Secretary,
the President,
for the academic session 2022 and 23.
for the academic session 2022-2023,
Do so kindly and sincerely promise
do solemnly and sincerely promise
and swear that
and swear that
I will truly and faithfully
I will truly and faithfully
and to the best of my skill and knowledge
and to the best of my skill and knowledge
execute the powers and trusts
execute the powers and trusts
repose in me and so helpful me
and so help me God.
God.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.